Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to connect your HostGator domain with Shopify. So guys, for example, you want to connect your domain with Shopify, what you have to do, just you can purchase domain if you don't have a domain on HostGator and set up your domain here. And after that, what you have to do, go to setting option, and after that scroll down, click domain, and click if you have domain name, click connect existing domain, click this option, and from here you can copy your domain on HostGators. After that guys, copy your domain, for example this domain, and click this one and click next. After that guys, you can set up your domain easily and click this verify option, and this is how you can do guys, and you can update your DNS recorded and this step 2 guys. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video for you, then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys.